The impact of custom glass tabletops in modern interiors. Custom glass tabletops are a popular choice in modern home and office designs. Their smooth, clear look makes things feel more stylish and goes well with many different styles. If you want to change a room or just make a small improvement, custom glass can really stand out in a classy way. Reasons to choose custom glass tabletops. Custom glass tabletops are great for both looks and usefulness. They improve your decoration and provide strong, protective surfaces. Let's take a closer look at the many reasons to use them. Aesthetic appeal. Glass brings a sense of lightness and transparency to a room, making it feel more open and welcoming. It goes well with modern, simple, and transitional styles by giving a clear and fresh contrast to materials such as wood, stone, and metal. Custom glass tabletops can make any room, like dining rooms, offices, or living spaces, look more stylish and inviting. Customization possibilities. Another big benefit of picking custom glass is that you can make the design fit your exact needs. Simply choose from many different sizes, shapes, edge finishes, colors, and textures to fit your space. Raben Glass focuses on making clients' ideas a reality by working together with them from the beginning to the end of the project. Whether you want a textured surface for a contemporary table base or a distinctively shaped top for a family treasure, we've got you covered. Why choose Raben Glass? Raben Glass has a lot of experience, talented local workers, and a strong dedication to working together on designs. You can set up a design meeting to look at your choices and see examples up close. Custom glass tabletops are a great way to add style, flexibility, and usefulness to any room. With many design options and strong durability, they're a good choice for today's modern living. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.